In this video, you'll learn how to build an app on Firebase in just a few minutes, using Google's powerful tools to handle everything from backend to hosting for free. First, go to firebase.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Click Add Project, give it a name, and follow the quick setup wizard to create your Firebase project in under a minute. Next, choose your platform web, iOS, or Android, and register your app inside the Firebase console. Copy the configuration snippet Firebase gives you and paste it into your project to connect everything instantly. Now, add the core services your app needs. Use Authentication to handle user sign-ins, Firestore to store your data in real time, storage for uploading files and images, and Cloud Functions to run your backend logic without managing servers. After that, start building your app's interface using your favorite framework, like React, Flutter, or plain HTML and JavaScript. Firebase's SDKs make it easy to connect your front end to every backend service with just a few lines of code. Once your app is ready, install the Firebase CLI, run Firebase init hosting, and deploy with Firebase Deploy. Within seconds, your app goes live with a free URL, SSL, and global hosting included. And that's it. Your app is now built, connected, and live on Firebase. Fast, secure, and ready to grow with your users.